In this video, I'm going to show you how to create users on WordPress, how to delete users, and how to change users' permissions in WordPress. So we're going to go ahead and start from the user dashboard here on WordPress. This is the main dashboard. Once you log into the WordPress, this is what you see. So we're going to go over here on the left-hand side of the screen, and we're going to click on users right here. And if you hover over it, it'll give you some options. It'll say all users, where you can view all the users that you currently have in there. You can add new users, which will allow you to add new people that can log into your website and make a certain amount of changes. And you can also view your own profile. So I'm going to click on add users here, and I'm going to show you. This is the one user that I have. This user, I did not give it a name. This is the email for the user. This is the user's role, which is an administrator, which an administrator can make any changes to the site. And this is how many posts that this user has associated with it. So we can go ahead and add a new one. That's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new one and click add new user at the top. And you're going to need to fill out a few things here. There are some required fields, some are not required. So username is required, so we're going to give it a username. So I'm going to put mine as admin. I don't have an admin account yet, so I'm going to give it an admin account. And the email address, and I'm going to put admin, and then my domain, newswire.com. Okay, and first and last name, you don't have to put that, it's not required. But I'm going to put staff reporter. That way, if the admin itself puts a post onto my website, like if I log into the admin, if I put a post on the website, it's going to say posted by staff reporter. So I'm going to give it a name because of that. Website, you don't have to put the website in there. I usually don't do that. Password, you can click generate password, and it's just going to keep generating strong passwords for you. These are really strong passwords. However, what you can do is you can take this out and you can put your own password in. So you can just type whatever you want in there, and it'll tell you whether it's a strong or weak password, very weak, whatever. So I'm just going to hit generate password. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard. That way I have it. You can send user notifications, so you can send the new user a notification email about their account to give them all their account details. And this is where you select their role. So there are certain roles that you can give a user. You can give a user subscriber roles, contributor roles, author roles, editor roles, or administrator roles. And let me see if I can pull up for you what these roles exactly are. WordPress user roles, and then I can go ahead and put this down below in the description to this article here, and it'll tell you right here what the roles are. It gives you a good explanation of exactly what each one of them does, and I'll go ahead and include this link down below in the description. And I'm going to be an administrator. So I'm going to click add new user. All right. And it looks like it's already registered. So we're just going to put admin 2. Just put admin 2 like that and click add new. Or maybe it's because of the email. It's getting it because of the email, not the username. Okay. We'll do that. That'll take it. Okay. So that took it. So I'm using Chrome. I can save the password if I want. I don't do that. So I now have my 2 users here, an admin and then my staff reporter. So I'm going to go and click on what you can do here is under, go back to dashboard here and I'll show you. If you hover over users again, and then you can go to all users, this will take you back to this screen. And I did give this one a name, a staff reporter. I'm going to go ahead, and what you can do is you can edit these. So let me show you how I did that. So I would hover over the name here, and then it brings up these options. I can edit, delete, view, or I can send password reset to the email address that was registered. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and it will give me the option to do all these edits. So these are all the edits that I can do to this user. I can change their color scheme. I can change multiple options here. Keyboard shortcuts. You cannot change their username. The username is set. If you want to change the username of a user, what you would need to do is you would need to delete it. What you would have to do is you would need to create a dummy user, and then so that they don't lose any of their information, you would need to delete the user that you want to change the username on, and then if they have any posts or any type of information, you can put it onto that dummy account, and I'll show you here in just a second. You can put it on that dummy account, then you can just change it back, or you can rename it later. Well, you can't rename the username. You'd have to create another one, and then delete it, and then put it on the new one. So I can show you how to do that here in just a second. So role would be administrator. I can change all of this information. Staff reporter, admin. So if I wanted to put my real name in here, if I wanted to put James Moron in here, I can put James Moron in here. That would be a name. And then nickname, I can put as staff reporter. And then I can display my name publicly, so it'll give me a choice whether to make my name as James Moron or staff reporter. So as you can see, I can make my name certain things. So I can make my name James, I can make my name Moron, I can make my name James Moron, Moron James. So it gives me all kind of different things that I can use. But since I put it in my nickname, I can use this nickname as what is going to show up whenever a post is created. And you can change the email as well, biographical info, profile picture, and all of this stuff. Okay, so let's click Update User. And then I'm going to go to All Users again. And I'm going to show you how, if you want to change the username, I'm just going to do a dummy account. So I'm going to do Add New. And I'm just going to do Dummy. I'm just going to do it, name it as Dummy. And then we'll just do Dummy at dietnewswire.com. And dummy account, website, password, we'll leave everything the way it is. Admin, set a new user, I don't want to do that. Click Add New User. So it added my dummy account in here. So what I would need to do now, if I wanted to change my admin to like admin2 or the actual person's name, so what I would need to do is I would need to go in and delete admin. And then, now if it had any posts associated with admin, it would come down and it'll say correlate posts to, and then you would do the dummy account. You would just put your dummy account. You hit confirm deletion, it would delete it. And then you would just create a new one. Add new, admin2, email, admin2. Okay. Password, we're going to leave everything like that. Okay. Now we'll go in and we'll delete the dummy account. And then there will be posts under here that said, would you like to correlate these posts towards your admin2? And then you would hit yes, and then you would hit confirm deletion. And that's all you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one as well. And I'll create my own here in just a second. So I hope this video was helpful in how to create new users, how to delete users, how to change users' information inside. If you did find this video helpful, please give it a like below. Also, subscribe to the channel. I have more videos, how-to videos on WordPress just like this one coming out in the near future. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.